Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide sensitive notifications content on lock screen on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. First enter settings, then go to notifications, then notifications on lock screen, and now you can either show conversations, default and silent on lock screen, hide silent conversations and notifications, or don't show any notifications. You can also hide or display sensitive notifications, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.